everyone, and welcome back to another helpful and intuitive tutorial. In today's video, we will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to download, install, and set up Visual Studio Code on Windows 10. Let's get started. Firstly, let's open a new, fresh Google Chrome window or any web browser you're comfortable with. Navigate to the search bar at the top of the window and type VS Code. Hit the Enter key, and from the list of search results that appear, select the first recommended, which likely is Visual Studio Code. This should be from code.visualstudio.com. Click on it. You should now be on the Visual Studio Code page. Here, you'll find a button that says Download for Windows. Click this button to begin downloading the installation file. Please be patient, as the download time may vary dependent on your internet connection. With the download now finished, click on the Finish Downloads file for VS Code. Upon doing so, an install window for Visual Studio Code will pop up. You'll see an I accept the agreement. Select that and proceed onward by clicking Next. We're almost there now. Click Next once again, then select Next for the additional task, and turn your attention to the Install button. Click it. The setup process will now begin for installation. Finally, click Finish to complete the installation process for the VS Code setup. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Visual Studio Code on Windows. Thank you all for watching this tutorial.